Let's look at how to create an assignment where students have to upload a file. If you only want the students to upload one file, you will go to the Add an Activity drop-down menu and you will select the Upload a Single File option. Just like with the online text assignment, you must give this a name and some descriptive information that your students will read when they go to this assignment. Once you have the information, assignment name and description in, you scroll down and you have the option to set a date that it's available and that it is due, or you can disable this feature. You can either select to prevent late submissions or not. In the grading section, you can assign a point value if you wish, and you can give it a grade category if you're using the Moodle grading system. In the next box is what we have that's a little bit new. First, allow resubmitting, yes or no. Email alerts if you want to know every time a student uploads a file. And then the new part is the maximum size of the file. The size of the file can be anywhere from 10 kilobytes, which is a very small file, up to 20 megabytes, which is fairly large if it's just a Word document. I will set mine at 1 megabyte. And last, you have the group mode, visible, or ID number. And then you just hit save and return to course. I'm now going to log off as Annie Brown, the teacher, and log on as a student so we can see how a student goes through this process. I'm now logged in as Sally Smith, a student of this course, and I'm going to submit my rough draft. So I click on the assignment, and it says, please upload your rough draft by Friday. And I notice an Upload a File button, which I click. And it tells me to choose a file. There's currently no files attached, and my maximum file size is 1 megabyte. So I click Choose a File. I then select Upload a File and Browse. And I find my file and select Open. I then click Upload this file and save my changes. It says File uploaded successfully, and I can continue. And I can see that my file is right there. I'm now going to log off as Sally and log back in as the teacher to see how I look at this document. I'm now logged in as the teacher of this course, and it's time for me to grade some of the rough drafts. So I go to the assignment, and I notice over at the top right hand corner in very small letters, View One Submitted Assignment. I click, and I can look through the students' names, and when I find Sally's, I do see that she has uploaded a document. I can click on this document right here, and at the bottom of my screen I can select to open it or save it if I wanted to, and I can grade her paper. When I'm done reading it, I can go over to the status column and click Grade, and I can give her her point value and give her a comment of what she did wrong or right. And I can save the changes that she will now get her grade and her comment when she logs in the next time.